Good morning. How's everybody on YouTube doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm bringing you another morning blog, um, naturally from the Gold Gym. This is going to be an older Gold Gym. It's located just the southeast area of Austin. Um, this one's a little bit farther to travel, but I was going to meet up with, uh, with some guys over here, and I figured I hadn't seen it for a while, so I figured I'd just stop by over here. But anyway, the jacuzzi, as you can see, the jacuzzi is a lot older compared to the one where I normally go to. Oh, anyway, I want to jump to a quick topic real quick. This is the Insta360 GO 2. Now, I've been amazed with it because if you've seen all the underwater footage come out crystal clear in comparison to the GoPro Hero 9, doesn't come out as clear as this one. I don't know why. And the go-to on this one is the camera's so small and people hardly ever notice it, which is a good advantage because when I put everything away, I just put it in my pocket. And compared to the GoPro Hero 9, you gotta keep it in a case, or you can't put that in your pocket. It's too big and bulky. So the colors are originally bright. Um, but I'm holding it with my hand because normally I have it so that it would have been placed on either a headband or I don't have a headband yet, but eventually I'll just go to the academy and buy me a little headband or find one on Amazon. Not that expensive, so put on the headband and then I'd be able to just mount it right in front of my forehead and pretty much just wherever I turn my face, it'll pretty much just the camera will lead itself. And the most beautiful things I know about this camera is that it's waterproof. I'm not sure if it's rugged, like compared to the GoPro products, but you know what? I'm not in an environment where it's always going to be rugged. I'm more of an environment where there's a lot of water. So this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. I like it. Um, and naturally, I got to take care of it because everything that's waterproof still requires a little bit of care. Um, anyways, from here we're going to proceed on to the swimming pool and start doing the laps, and we'll see you by then.